Quick before this video starts, I just want to say if you're looking for eBay dropshipping and winning product research, go to the link in the description. Thank you very much. On to the video. Hey guys, my name is Louis and today's video is going to be on how you can find your own winning products on eBay, because a lot of people do actually ask me this. They don't understand how they can find their own winning products, and there's a couple of things you have to do to almost certify that it's a winning product, but obviously there's other things you can add into it to make it more of like a guarantee. For example, if you watch my last video, which is on how you can boost your eBay dropshipping profit margins on all your product, you'll be able to lower the price on the product for competitors, therefore you'll be able to make more profit, and it'll be a lower price for the buyers, so you'll get more buyers, etc, etc. So if you're watching this video, I recommend you watch that video as well, as it will just they kind of tie together with how you're going to make it a winning product, because it's not just about the product itself, how good it is, it's also the price you list it for, because it could be a really good product, but if you're listing it too high, then no one's gonna buy it, so it's not a winning product in the sense of getting sales. However, that's why you want to find a real good product, but then you want to implement my other two methods in my last video, and then it will be a winning product for sure. So I'm going to show you all of that now, apart from the two methods which are from the last video, so make sure you do watch that after this video, and let's get straight into this one. First method I would give for finding a winning product would use something like HUSTLEGOTREAL, and if you want to use HUSTLEGOTREAL, there's a link in the description. I believe you get a percentage off if you use it, so I recommend you use this. But what you do once you have it, if you do have it, go to catalog and you look for all the items, you choose your suppliers, and as I say in the UK, I always just recommend Banggood and AliExpress, and that's it. And then you can go through the products here. So, and let's just say once you find a product, let's just pick a random one, let's just say this one. You now search this exact thing onto eBay. And as you can see, this is the same product, the exact same product. We can buy this here for £62.40. I'm going to actually, for this video, I'm only going to go with Banggood, just because of my last video showing the profit boost, because I'm assuming you're going to watch that video after this, then you'll know, then that's the one you're mainly going to want to go with. So let's just pick something from Banggood, and as you can see, we'd buy this for 37, exact same product, £51 been sold, 52.50, and this is telling you to sell it for 48, so you could actually make a bit more profit. But then think, if you followed my other video, you'd be getting an extra 36% profit margin on this, meaning you'd almost be making an extra £15 or so. So this could be a £20 profit product if you followed my last method as well. So this is one winning product 100%. But then if you want to go further with it, you can go onto the seller's profile, and then what you can do is you can go onto the solds, see what they've sold. What you do is you go onto their profile and you'll see what they're selling, so you see other items. So you don't have to use HustleGotReal, it just makes it very simple. What you could have done instead is go on Banggood and just browse the products instead. That would have been something you could do. Browse a product, see something you think is good, copy the title, go onto it, you've got to sell it, you see you can make profit on it. But that's not the final step. What you do then is you actually go onto the listing itself, because you now know this person is selling from Banggood, so you know you can undercut, and this guy's a lot, and you know from what I've just shown you on this on the HustleGotReal of the product, if you use the method in the last video, you'll be making more profit. Meaning if this guy is selling all of his products from Banggood, you can completely undercut him for every single product and make more profit than him whilst undercutting him. And look how much feedback he's got, so you know he's a big seller. So this could be very lucrative, this person right here. And did you see how long that took? That literally took 6 minutes to find. We go on to his selling items, you go down to here. You want to go all of his recently sold items. Don't care about anything else. All recently sold, because you know people are searching for this. So let's just say this, for example, first one we see, and we'll copy his listing. But he sold 16 already. Go on to Banggood, type it in. As you can see, this is the same product. Just in fact, this product would be even better. And you can see this is going to work well. If you follow my last method, you'll see what you'll get. Extra profit doing that, and you can just go on all of his products. So just if you go on all of these, search them all on Banggood, just list every single one, use the method in the last video, and you'll make more profit on all of these items. This is literally, it's that simple to find winning products. It's that simple. Obviously my method from the last video makes finding winning products 50 times easier because you're just going to undercut everyone and still make a bigger profit than them. So there's a lot. It just makes it a lot easier, and it's not very known either. So make sure you use that method in the last video before it blows up and people will use that method, if it does, but that's the hope. But it's a very, very good method. So that's literally it for this video. It's quite a short one, but if you feel like it's taken any value from watching this, please make sure you press that like button and also press that subscribe button. It really does help out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. And have a lovely rest of your day.